In this video, I'm going to give you a quick and honest review of Interactive Brokers UK, the global brokerage platform that has attracted serious traders and investors in the UK who want wide market access and competitive costs. Let's walk through its highlights, its drawbacks, and whether it could be the right choice for you. What it does well. Interactive Brokers UK offers access to a huge range of markets and asset types: stocks, ETFs, bonds, options, futures, even multiple currencies across dozens of countries. Its fee structure is very competitive for UK investors. For example, trades in UK-listed stocks may cost from around £3 per trade up to a certain trade value, and then small percentage rates above that. Because of that, the cost per trade can become extremely low once you trade frequently or at higher value. The FX conversion costs are also among the lowest in the UK market. The platform is regulated by the UK's Financial Conduct Authority, FCA, and is backed by a long track record and global presence, so from a safety and legitimacy perspective, it stands strong. What to watch out for. Despite the strong features, Interactive Brokers UK has some trade-offs. Because it offers so many tools and markets, the platform can feel complex, especially if you're newer to investing. Many reviews note that the onboarding process, account setup, and verification takes longer than simpler platforms, and the layout has a lot of features to learn. Also, the fee structure, while low for many trades, can be confusing because there are different pricing tiers, fixed versus tiered, depending on market and trade size. Additionally, some account types, for example ISAs, carry a small monthly platform fee if you don't meet trading thresholds. Finally, while it offers global options, if you're only interested in simple UK stocks or passive investing, you might feel like you're paying for more than you need. Who it's for? Interactive Brokers UK is best suited for intermediate to advanced investors or traders who want to trade frequently or in larger volumes and want to keep per-trade cost very low. Want access to global markets, multiple currencies, a wide variety of asset types beyond just UK or US stocks? Are comfortable navigating a more powerful platform and don't mind spending a bit of time learning the tools. On the other hand, if you're a beginner investor, just want to buy a couple of UK stocks or ETFs and hold them long-term, prefer ultra simplicity and minimal setup, there may be more beginner-friendly platforms that feel easier and more streamlined. My verdict? Interactive Brokers UK is a very strong choice for UK investors who want depth, global access, and low costs in trades. It delivers real value, especially if you trade regularly, use multiple markets, or grow your investing. However, it's not the easiest platform for a complete beginner looking for just buy and hold. If you go in aware of the learning curve and fee structure complexity, you'll likely find it delivers excellent bang for your buck. But if you prefer something very simple, minimal tools, and few markets, you might pick a different broker for ease and upgrade later.